friends, this is Henry, the legend block machine manufacturer. Today is May 13, and we are going to make an introduction for our QT4-24, the hollow block making machine. You know, as you know, now the situation of the coronavirus in the world getting better now, and more block makers try to start production of their block business now. But you know, based on the 3 years of the coronavirus, the terrible situation, more and more businessmen lost money, and at the beginning they tried to get a big block machine to start production, but now they are forced to invest a small block machine like a semi-automatic or manual block machine instead of the fully automatic production line. So today what I'm going to advise to you is a semi-automatic QT4-24, the block making machine, and it's also a production line which includes the concrete mixer, the conveyor machine, and the block maker and the block stacker. And this particular block production line, you know why I want to give you the introduction is because of it is equipped with block stacker. You know, more and more block makers try to reduce the labors for their production line, for their the block production, because if you would like to get a block stacker together with the block machine, it can reduce the labor. And while you carry up the blocks, so now with this block stacker, it can stack the block pallets maybe to 4 or 5 different stories. So at the same time, the labor will carry up maybe 4 or 5 pallets at the same time, instead of the barely, you know, carry up one block's pallets one time by one times. So it can heavily decrease the labors, and also at the same time it can increase the walking, you know, in frequency. So it can stack 3 or 4 different pallets. So let's move in detail and to look at this block stacker. And also this block stacker is the same size and same production capacity, same as the QT4-20, the fully automatic. And also its performance very perfect, very wonderful. So look at these blocks. This blocks is let me check it. The width of the blocks is it's 12 inches. This width is 12 inches. It's very, you know, it's very special and how to see? It's non-regular size because it's ordered by the heady buyers. They normally use the very big size of the blocks. But look at the surface. Look at the surface of the blocks on the top. It looks very nice. It looks very nice, and the density and compression of the blocks is fine. It's very good. So now you see the blocks even is fresh. It's fresh blocks, not dry, and we didn't put any cement, but it can, you know, hold 3 pallets. So it can use the trolley to carry up the pallets after you finish the production. And I want to introduce like this block stacker is equipped with the controller box with electricity. So, and also it's very easy for the line. This one is the main power. What you need to do is you just need to connect the main power with your power source with this line and switch on this power. That's all. So, and in the next video we can show you how the block stacker stacking, and all of the electric elements we take use is granted quality. So there's no need for you to worry about the quality, or maybe in case it's damaged in the future. And And this QT4-24 block machine is only a semi-automatic block making machine. And also, the semi-automatic block machine means it will need the labor and the workers to, to operate the machine with this control box. With this control box, yeah. And also, it's very easy for you to understand how to use this controller box to control. Like this one start, this one is off, and this one is mode forward, and this one is mode go back, and this one is the material drop down, the material dropping down, and this one is mode drop down, and this one is mode lift up. So it's not so complex for you to understand, but it's more easier for you to understand how to use it. And this machine, look at our machine body and the machine frame. It's a strong body, and we take use the very good quality of the material, like the steel. We take use is a 345 number. The number is 345. It's granted the steel, and like our welder technology is so beautiful. The technology, the welder technology is very beautiful, so beautiful. And the machine body frame is strong. It's strong enough. It can, the life of the machine will last more than 10 years. So after you receive the block machine, you just put your heart in free. So here is the mold area. What you need to do is you will feed in the material from this material hopper, and you will feed in the material. See. The material, right? It's concrete material, and spreading the material all over the mold is also easy. And the wire is of how to say, the lift out the mold and push out the blocks. There's no need for the body for the labor to do manually. It's a mechanic. Everything is mechanic. Everything is mechanic. Yeah. And look at our vibration motor. We take use 3 kilowatts. 3 kilowatts power for the vibration motor. So with the 3 kilowatts vibration motor, it will be supplied enough power for the vibration to form the blocks and to make sure the blocks compressor is enough. And also the conveyor machine will be equipped together with the block machine, with the concrete mixer. This one is the concrete mixer. Okay, buddies, and thank you so much for your valuable times to watch my videos. And if you decide to invest a block factory at your site, because the coronavirus situation now is better, as I know, and more countries is closing with the coronavirus. So I think the blocks production will be started again. But the biggest bad news is the sea freight is also at up stage. So what you can do is you can try to exchange your mind to purchase a small block machine which is with a small volume, and so the sea freight will be getting lower. So I think this particular model QT4-24 concrete block making machine is a good choice for you instead of the fully automatic concrete block machine. Okay, thank you. If you have any questions, and you are welcome to leave your comments or any good strategy ideas on my videos. So we will take time to discuss with you. Thank you.